राखेर पछाडी नबस्ने गर्ल्सहरु पछाडीको रोको अगाडि आऊ पछाडीको रोको अगाडि आउने पछाडीको रोको अगाडि आउने वाइजहरु अगाडिको सिट खाली राखेर
स्वागतम स्वागतम सुस्वागतम. Good morning everyone. This is me Vidya Rathoki
And I am Ramesh Shrestha, your
host for this event.
It gives us immense pleasure to welcome all of you on behalf of the organizing committee to this Canvas Welcome program being held on the beautiful stage of Academy Hall today on 31st of August, organized by grade 12 students.
Let us now start the program by inviting the guests on the dais. First of all, I would like to request Ms. Nazira Khatum to take the seat on the dais as the chairperson of this function.
Thank you. It is our great privilege to have amongst us our chairperson, Mr. Krishnakant Parajuli.
Similarly, I would like to request our executive director, Mr. Jeevan Prakash Sharma, to take his seat on the dais.
Now I would like to request our principal sir, Mr. Devendra Prasad Bhattacharya, to take his seat on the dais.
Moving on, I would like to request our honorable director, Mr. Manoj Kumar Chaudhary,
Mr. Krishna Prasad Bhakkal,
Mr. Ravindra Bhattrai,
Mr. Mahesh Kamachari,
Mr. Uttam Prasad Devkoda,
Dr. Raj Bhakkal.
and all the respected teachers to take their seat on the dais. Thank you all.
Similarly, a special welcome goes to all dignitaries
Guests, invitees,
and organizers present on this jubilant event. We request all of you to be seated in your seats.
Now I would like to
Can we have Vishal Kondo on the backstage, please? Submitted their song, please contact the DJ over here. request all of you.
Good morning, everyone.
Thanks, Brishija and Ramesh. Respected chairperson, chief guest, lovely friends and newcomers of grade 11. It's me, Diksha Keshi.
And it's me, Sankat Ragmi.
Formally inaugurated our program by lighting the auspicious lamp. So now, without any delay, we would like to invite Pratibha Shrestha to deliver the welcome speech over here. So may we have a round of applause for Pratibha Shrestha? Pratibha Shrestha.
Good morning, everybody. God hold those who help themselves. Honorable Chairperson, distinguished dignitary, really glad to have an opportunity to deliver our welcome speech on this stage today. Really, we are very much proud of these academics engaged at this college and indebted to the team who likes to apply a modern pedagogy in this teaching learning process. So I would like to make you sure that all students studying in grade 11, you are in right time, right place, in the right place with the right team and having right goal. So I would like to welcome you all the students studying in grade 11 for your best career. So once again I would like to say welcome, welcome and welcome. Thank you.
I would like to invite our principal, Mr. Devendra Prasad Adkale, to come on the stage and say the few words.
Good morning, everybody. Namaste. Yes, chairperson of this welcome program, Chairman, Canvas International College, Krishnakanta Prajali sir, Executive Director, my friends, Board of Directors, teaching staffs as well as non-teaching staffs of Canvas International College, President, Canvas Alumni Association and its member, all my dear students without whom I wouldn't be here in this stage right now, and all the personnel who have been present here in this program. I have felt very honored to be here with you in this auspicious occasion. For this, I want to give thanks to the organizer committee, especially the students of grade 12. At the same time, I want to welcome all the persons who have been present here accepting our invitation, especially the students of grade 11. Thank you for your presence. At this right moment, we are here for the welcome program, which is our culture, is a tradition which we have to carry on. We shouldn't give up it. That's why all we have been gathered here for this celebration. In this very moment, I want to request all the students, please be very well disciplined, be obedient, honest, so that the program will be very grand success. I want to, without taking much more time of you, I want to share a few words. These noteworthy points may be very beneficial for our betterment as well as for the betterment of our institution. Please let us try to put our hands together so that we will have a very unity and the strength. At the same time, try to do the same thing in a different way. Yes, there is a saying that great people won't do the different things, but they would do the same thing in a different way. That's why try to do the same thing in a different way so that you will be even counted. At the same time, I want to request you, try to be the best manager of the time and the work. Because if you have at the same time, you can keep the joy in your works. If you have a pleasure in your job, then you can have a perfection in your work. Without taking much more time, finally, I would like to tell you that It's your program. It's your program for the better completion. Please be very quiet, be very patient, calm, so that this program will be of grand success. And finally, again, I want to welcome all the participants, dignitaries who have been present here, in this program. I want to give thanks to the organizer committee and want to give best wishes for the better completion of the program. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you.
I'd like to welcome the Canvas Aluminium Association President and all members over here in this stage. And I want to handle this microphone to Pratima Group. Let's have a big round of applause for them.
Canvas Alumni Association. It is the association of the ex-student of Canvas College, close to past studentहरूको एउटा एसोसिएसन हो र केही समय अगाडि अब होस्टरले भन्नुभयो प्राइज डिस्ट्रिब्युसनको लागि सो केही समय अगाडि हामीले बास्केटबल इन्ट्रा कलेज बास्केटबल कम्पिटिसन राखेका थियौँ र त्यसैको चाहिँ प्राइज डिस्ट्रिब्युसन आज हामी गर्न जाँदैछौँ सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस सेसन Alumni Scholarship. जति पनि फन्ड कलेक्ट भएको छ त्यो फन्डबाट चाहिँ हामी कलेजभित्रकै हाम्रो साथीहरू जो 11 कक्षा र 12 कक्षामा पढिरहनु भएको छ उहाँ साथीहरूलाई चाहिँ हामी स्कलरसिप प्रोभाइड गर्छौँ. सो एज वी आर इन इनिसियल स्टेज, 1 महिना अगाडि मात्र हामीले यो अभियान सुरु गरेको हुनाले हामी इनिसियल स्टेजमा भएको कारणले आज टुडे वी आर हियर टु अनाउन्स 50% अफ मन्थली फी स्कलरसिप to 3 streams of each stream. One stream from each stream. That is one from management, one for humanities, and one from science. So the Canvas Alumni Scholarship, I think you guys have been clear about it, right? Okay, let me announce the name. And to do the honor, I would like to call Dr. Leknath Mishra sir to come on the stage. For the month of Ashwin 2071 BS. It is a 50% monthly fee scholarship. Asmita Mahara. A big round of applause for her. Congratulations, Asmita. Now we have from management. Congratulations. Now it's the turn of from humanities stream. Ramesh Shrestha. Congratulations, Ramesh Shrestha. Thank you, sir. Hand over this mic to our principal sir for one more announcement.
Thank you, Canvas Alumni Association, Pratima. Now, in the meantime, I want to have an announcement here. Before 1 week, there was a poet competition which was held in the Joy Multiple Campus in Jorpadi, Kathmandu. It was the inter-college poet competition, and in this competition, our students, Nazira Khatun, the chairperson of today's program, has participated. And out of 31 participants, she stood the 4th position. That's why I want to hand over this certificate and want to congratulate her once again. Yes, let's give a big hand to Nazira. Yes, thank you.
तिमी आज किन यति निराश देखिएको हँ?
खै के भन्नु अब यस्तै छ
किन नि किन यस्तो कसैले धोका दियो कि क्या?